Good morning, Internet. Welcome to Komio's Nature Reserve area. It's year of our Lord, year of the Kali Yuga crown, 2020. The first month, the end of first month. I don't remember the English word. But this is where we're going today. So, basically, don't know much about this. Just spotted from the internet, interwebs. I don't know what to expect. Somebody has shot this board with air gun or something like that. I don't know. Yep, so I could leave my car here or move forward. It's raining snow. It's a bit wet snow, not so good snow. There are some notifications here. I must go. This is interesting. Yeah, so we're gonna have a walk, gonna take some pictures of something, I don't know yet what. So, gonna take some pictures, don't know what, of what. I was expecting more snow because the weather forecast promised me some snow, but it might be late and start soon. And well, at least there is more snow here on the ground. There is snow, but the trees are all darkened and black. So I will drive my car further down the road because there are parking lots there. Then I shall start my journey to the undying lands of Komio. Yeah, see you there. Now I arrived. The start point looks like this. One car has been parked here, I would guess, for a long time, at least during the snowstorm. There are some instructions what to do. Remember, everything you take to the forest you bring back. Nothing special. I have my drone with me, but I don't. Look, wolf. Marks of the wolf, yeah. This dangerous area. Oh goddamn, Finland is such a dangerous place when you go to nature. Anyway, car will stay there. I have chosen to walk the Luutaharjun Samo named path. It's 6.5 kilometers and it starts. So that's the place where I go. I hope the swamp is that way. The swamp is actually behind that swamp lake. I don't know. I will call it the swamp lake. It's like a lake that is connected to the swamp. But the swamp is like back there. Hopefully this trek will take me there. I'm hearing voices. Forest voices. Okay, let's go. Yeehaw. Yeehaw, boy. man's beard, Naava. They say that where ulcer, I don't know what it was in English, where this grows, the air is clean. That's how we say in Finland. I don't know if that's true or just a story, but usually you won't find Naava in like city areas. It's always deep in the forest. Yep. The whole way here, while I was walking down, there were these little birdies, really nice birds. I don't know what they are. We can call them World Engine Asset Section 38.789-12 Class Animals Generic Birds Subspecies Small Bird Generic Random Bird number 3. That's probably the correct world asset code for that bird. I tried to take photos of the bird, but they are so small and they just jump around really quickly in the bushes. So probably I didn't get the shot, but look to the end of this video and you will find out if I did get the shot. One thing I do while I usually have these photo walks is that I never go through the shots while I'm in the nature, because I don't know, it's much more fun when you're after the trip. You take a small nap probably or something and eat, and then in the evening you start editing the video and you check the photos that did I even get any good shots, and then you find some pearls among the crappy ones. Or sometimes it happens that you don't get even decent shots. Last weekend I made a vlog on a place where there could have been kingfisher, but the place was so stupid and the vlog in the end was so stupid that I didn't publish it. I just trashed the files. It was crap. Yeah. So sometimes it goes like that. Every day isn't a good day. But I think one of the things is that you should never start thinking in a way that, will I make a good video? Will this work? Will there be any interesting stuff? I don't know. It's a vlog. You fail. Sometimes the trips fails. Sometimes you succeed. So do not stress about that. At least that's what I'm trying to tell myself. Let's stop the crap talk and continue. Stumbled on something interesting right in front of me. It looks like it's a stone. It might be old part of an old tree. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I'll point it. No hope. Too wide. Let's go closer. At least tracks seem to lead to it. There's a pathway. So Yeah, well, for a stupid man like me, it looks like a gravestone, but it might be border marks or something like that. I don't know. If someone knows, let us know. Give us comments. Comments on my videos. Yeah, hey. Anyway, I had to make a shout out to two persons who actually have watched these crappy videos. I opened the YouTube studio here. Ilkka, thank you for commenting. Awesome. Oh, and I forgot to reply on your message on Instagram about editing the drone footage, that it's somehow codec hard. But no, I think there is no special requirement, or at least my hardware hasn't noticed anything special when editing drone footage. Of course, my footage editing has been really small in amounts, if you think it that way, so there isn't too much. For example, today I don't have the balls to fly because it's raining water and wet snow. So, and other one, Ronnie, thank you for the thumbs up. Hope you watch this and you at least you see that I have noticed your existence on this miserable planet. No, the planet is okay, but the habitants are not so okay. Yeah, let's continue. There was a strange gravestone. I can check from the map data if there's mentions about that. No, there is nothing. No, nothing. Mystery gravestone. Let's call it that. Let's continue walking uphill, downhill. Hey, here is a quite interesting tracks. I don't know. If you follow the tracks, there's first like maybe just some digging. I don't know. It looks like there's been a fox or something that has walked here. Then something like this, and then it continues. Like a little bit of jumping, running. I don't know. This is, and it goes to the forest. Maybe it has been a fox. I don't know. I first thought that it was the fox has attacked something or something like that, but maybe just some digging around. Interesting smelly seas. Oh, and you might wonder what the hell is going on here. Yeah, this is the Finnish-Australian simulator, and they are actually, this is nature reservation area. I think they are trying to restart the forest somehow, that it won't be the same forest type. So it has been burned, and then they will let it grow and see what comes out of it. I don't know. Goddamn. Here the fox has stopped and probably went and smelled these moose tracks. Check it out. Comes here, then oops, what is this smell? There's one, and then stops at the moose tracks. And probably been sniffing the moose tracks, and then the fox continues the same path as I am. Maybe I will see him or her. Let's hope. Just reporting back from the field. Nothing special here, but something special. This place is right next to the swamp here, and it's some kind of laiduinmaa. You know, for the cattle. They will bring the cattle here in summertime, and then they will walk around here and eat the grass and things they eat. And I noticed this strange little thing. Let's go and investigate. It's a doghouse, old doghouse. It's somehow sad. Maybe they have kept the dog here to protect the cattle or something. I don't know what's the story with this, because there are no houses nearby or anything like that. I must change the lens and take a photo of this, because it's it somehow has this haunted feeling, and because it's misty and things like that, and I'm running out of GoPro battery. I will change that also. Alright, photo time. Ooh, god damn. I came to the fireplace and I was in synchronized arrival with this old couple who have a summer place somewhere down there. And the guy immediately started helping me with fire, because I forgot my knife into the car. I'm stupid, and I couldn't make the wood here in a fire way because I wouldn't have the knife, and there is nothing to light the fire with, the small things. So he made me some small wood. Okay, now time to end this magnificent travel again. Trip. Well, I'm out of battery again. I need to buy more GoPro batteries. Anyway, actually nothing happened after the fire. I just came. I met this really nice guy. We talked a little bit about photography and thing. He also a photographer. Sorry dude, if you see this, I don't remember your name. I'm really bad with names. So anyway, well, this is certainly a place to visit again. I will come here and go around that lake, because there is a path around that lake. Now I was only on these known paths, but anyway, yeah, here it is. See you next time. Stay strong, stay true. See you. Oh, subscribe, like, and beep-a-deep-a-doop. Yeah, good night.